Hey everybody, my name's Richard from Zappos.com, and this here's the Werks Traveler 5.0 tote from Victorinox. Ideal for those weekend or overnight trips, this bag here has plenty of space on the inside for all your short traveling essentials. It's easy to carry around. You got these handles here on top with a little bit of rubber there in the middle, so you'll feel comfortable carrying it around. You also have your adjustable shoulder strap, some padding on it too, so keep your shoulders feeling great while you're carrying it around. Got two separated little pockets up there in the front with zipper closures on them for those grab-and-go items you want access to quickly. And here in the back you have another zipper pocket that opens up. However, got a little zipper down there on bottom, making it a pass-through. So if you're going on a longer vacation or traveling, you can just slide this through the handle on your luggage and carry it around easily through those airports. The top flap opens up with a zip here again. Got that really nice lining on the inside, nice and bright, so it'll keep everything nice and visible in there. For those smaller items, always seem to make their way to the corner pockets. You can't see them. That nice bright interior will help keep them visible. Got lots of storage in there for all your clothes and traveling essentials. You don't want to miss out on this awesome tote bag, so add it to your cart today. It's from Victorinox.